Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kalapliang sobha ya ka skim thmai balapan bana do Rahul Gandhi henen kasngi hanong ba Delhi habai kranbat kilat pthai kubor hasilong uba Himalaya sangpliang uba de omle jong ka Mosram constituency hagjuk opor ubalong uskatri jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ula ai ka jiro ya ka jing ijnga no lam jong ka seng hakaba ulapan bana ya ka skim NYAI kabalong ka jirap ka ba nyo pu ar hajar tengka sisnem sakilong yang baduk tam hagari India lengba kani ka Congress lada kawan hakabor kan thap pisah 1,000 tengka haki akang jong kibrio kiba em kamai tang 1,000 tengka sibnai.
On behalf of the All India Congress Committee, I would like to declare and to draw attention to all of you and to the people of the state that this is a historic declaration made by the Honorable Congress President Rahul Gandhi that the Nyutam Aay Yojana, meaning the minimum income guarantee scheme, which is the world's largest poverty eradication measure, has been adopted by the Congress Party throughout the state, and by which this historic this declaration, the Congress Party is reiterating its commitment to eradicate poverty in this country, and the NYAI will be the final assault on poverty. Besides this, the NREGA that we have already been implemented through the Congress government, that will continue, and under this particular scheme, which is considered as the world's largest poverty eradication measure, the Congress promises NYAI to the poor people of India. The Congress Party is committed to eradicate poverty in this country, and the poorest 20% of the families will be guaranteed with rupees 72,000 in a year. And this 72,000 rupees will be deposited directly in the bank account of the woman of the house, meaning the housewife. And 5 crore families will be benefited by this historic step, meaning 5 members of a family and 5 crore families. It comes to 25 crore people in the country will be benefited by this minimum income guarantee scheme. And the existing social welfare scheme that is in the government will continue, and they will not be discontinued at all, and no existing subsidies shall be discontinued. These are all in addition. This NYAI scheme is in addition to all the welfare programs that the Congress government had adopted during its regime. Now, as I said, that the UPA implemented, like Mahatma Gandhi NREGA, that lifted 14 crore people out of the poverty. And now the NYAI intends to uplift and help 25 crore people out of poverty. So therefore, this is a big declaration, like the Congress President Rahul Gandhi ji had mentioned, that it is a historic declaration in the whole world, that no other countries has ever done like this before. And therefore, when the Congress comes to power in this May 23rd, these schemes will be immediately taken up, and all the people of the country, including the state of Meghalaya, all will be benefited.
Haswa katai kaladon ka jingelang hakabalai don langru uba Vincent Pala ubalong kandidat jong ka seng Kongres ka MP jong ka Raja Sabha ka Kongwan Suksiem rengkat ke MLA Badru kinong tri jong ka parti Kongres.
So we are all geared up for the elections which is coming just in a few days time from now, and the outcome of the meeting was good. It was very cordial. We had all the MLAs who had attended, because there was in a section of a press which had come out that MLAs had refrained or restrained from going to escort the party candidate while filing the nomination. But that was not so. The party candidate had clarified that since only 4 members were allowed inside the DC's room or the returning officer's room while filing the nomination, so the Vincent Pala had wanted that the MLAs need not come. So that is why from the party side also there was no insistence on the MLAs to escort the party candidate. Nevertheless, all the MLAs are together. We are all here today to show solidarity and to take up the respective responsibilities to fight the elections, and I'm sure that we'll come out victorious. Votes in the Congress is increasing, and there are many MDCs belonging to the SPP have also joined the Congress, and many senior leaders of the BJP also have joined the Congress. I'm happy to inform you that the personalities like Edmund Sangma, personalities like Santosh Marak, who are bigwigs in the BJP, have joined the Congress party, and I'm sure there will be a good turnaround this time.